Hello guys, welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM. I hope you all feeling good about a Stellar XLM. So once again I'm present with the latest update of the Stellar XLM. In this video I will show you the right now price of the Stellar Lumens, and we're trying to detect the next move of the Stellar XLM. So keep watch and also subscribe now. Guys, the current live price of the Stellar Lumens Stellar XLM in the market is 0.374 USD dollar. 0.374 USD dollar, that is the live price of the Stellar XLM. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occurring in the Stellar XLM in the market, so that's really a shock news for all of you, but don't take it serious. Last 1 hour, last 1 day changes occurring in the Stellar XLM is completely negative. So that's why, guys, I'm worrying about that what's going on, guys. But guys, you know what, I know it is a beta, but I already know that after bedtime there's a good time, guys. So please, guys, don't take it serious. Just hold, guys. Everything will become positive, and I hope, guys, you get a profit if you hold. But if you can't hold, so nothing you will get. Remember that in cryptocurrencies market, patience is very important for all of you. If you have a patience, so possibilities you get profit. But if you have no patience, so 100% sure that you get only loss. Just look here, guys. Now if we look the latest situation here, so in the latest situation the price start pumps, possibilities for a long time continue these pumps, possibilities. I'm not sure about Stellar XLM. Anyways, guys, what do you think about Stellar XLM? What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Stellar XLM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.